Hey, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about how you who is in a relationship or in marriage are supposed to apologize to each other. Is your partner angry about something? Did you annoy or hurt your partner? This here are the ways you can apologize to your partner. You are supposed to apologize to your partner. You ought to apologize to your partner. Yes. So, are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. Number 1. Your ego aside, admit you are in the wrong. Many grown-ups have a problem of having their ego up, their shield up. They don't want to admit that it's their fault. But it's as simple as that. Just own it. Admit you did it. Admit you're in the wrong. And let life go on. Look, are you going to mess up your love just because of your pride? Number 2, explain why you did what you did. Your partner wants to know. Sometimes, deep in his mind or her mind, he is wondering, why did this person have to do me like this? Give reasons. Give the background sequence of reasons that led you to do what you did, that put you in the wrong. Because remember, a blank apology doesn't address the issue. Deep down inside, he or she wants to know why you did what you did. Number 3, listen and hear from your partner. Give your partner a chance to express how they feel. Let them shout, let them cry, let them yell, let them burn off steam and burn off the anger. Don't let them keep the anger locked in for whatever reason. Let your partner expose to you how much your actions hurt him or her. Too much hurt and emotions don't have to be hidden if real reconciliation is to occur. This also shows that you care for your partner's feelings. It's very important. Apologize. Say sorry. That's number 4. Let your partner hear and see those words coming out of your mouth. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Make sure you utter them. Most people have a tendency of maybe annoying your partner, abusing them. And instead of saying sorry, you want to buy maybe gifts, to cover up what happened. It is not covered up. It is still deep down in their subconscious mind. Much as you've covered it up, it will pop up another time. Number 5, commit to not doing it again. Say that you won't do it again and mean it. Mean it. Do it. Make sure you don't repeat it again. An apology which is not backed up by change is not an apology. An apology is empty if it's not sincere. Say you won't do it again and live to prove justly. Number 6, listen well. Hear your partner say these words. I have forgiven you. If you want to know that your apology has really sunk, it has been driven home in your partner's heart, your partner is going to tell you, I have forgiven you. If for some reason you don't hear those words, there is something you've done wrong. There is a button you've not pressed. There is a line you've not crossed in your apology. Hear your partner tell you, I have forgiven you. Hear those words coming out of your partner's mouth. It has to be official. Don't assume it. Number 7, thank your spouse for forgiving you. Very important. Appreciate your partner for having a warm, forgiving heart to even consider forgiving you. It takes love to forgive. It takes love to overlook your wrong. Don't take it for granted. Number 8, agree on the plan to keep the wrong from not being repeated. Did you get me well? You and your partner agree on how to handle this next time. Let your partner advise you on how you will handle it next time to avoid finding yourself in a situation to wrong again. This is why it's very important to know and tell the history. What led to you doing or saying what you did that was wrong. You two get to agree on what to do to prevent it from happening again. Number 9, seal it with a kiss. Kiss as soon as you are given that official forgiveness. Kiss, cuddle, hug. Number 10, make love. Why not? Your spouse's heart now feels safe because you care. You feel pardoned. Make passionate love. It's make-up sex. It brings you even closer. Number 11, do something sweet. I taught you about knowing your partner's love language. Do something that she loves, that he loves. Go out of your way to make your partner smile. You can maybe cook, buy a flower, buy a gift, take her out, do something nice for your partner. Number 12, take your partner out on a date. Go out on a romantic and a memorable date. Do something that's going to stick in his or her brain. And when you're there, foot the bill. Make it a night to remember. Look into your partner's eyes and let your eyes go deep, direct to your partner's soul and heart. Number 13, affirm each other's love. Tell each other how much you love and care for each other. Leave no room for doubt. Show your partner that you are still the one I love. Number 14, actually change. That's the best part of sorry. If you don't, all these points we've looked at from number 1 to 13 are not going to make sense. Let your partner see a new you, a changed you. Change. Number 15, don't keep a record of your wrongs. Don't keep reminding each other of the wrongs your partner did. The other time you did this, the other time you did that. The other time you asked me, to forgive you. The other time you asked me this. Yet you did this. You are this. You are that. I have proof. The other time, when you have apologized, forgiven each other, move past it. Don't repeat it again. Now, last but not least, very important, pray. Pray for unity and strength. Pray for the grace. Be open as much as you can. Ask for the Holy Spirit to guide you and protect you and give you love and courage. Thank God for your partner and thank God for your relationship. Ask God for the guidance and the protection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share it and like it. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit this subscribe button and the notifications bell so that when I post a video, you get notified. You are told that I've posted a video. Yes, thank you. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82. Instagram is at @I am_Nora. Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.